basketball is being played here in Hyderabad. I was giving a reference of DeMello in the 1952, a girl who is so faster and so all-rounder. She used to have a lot of acrobatic shots as NBA people do. You know, NBA people, how do they basket? Blindfolded. Even blindfolded, they put in the basket without missing the ball. Even they put from the underneath the knee ball, from behind the back ball basket. Everywhere. What is the reason? Reason is they're professional, and we are only off-season players here. You go with only a season and play, and whereas because more of importance is being given to the education by the parents, by the teachers, by the society, because you want to have a good career. But what is the use of a career where you cannot have a good health? Health is the elixir of life. One who neglects the health, because we say mens sano in corpore sano. The one who has a sound body will have a sound mind. With the sports where you perspire more and more, you become sharper in your brain. So people do not understand this concept. So I would like the managers and all organizations to change this traditional type of basketball to a professional type of basketball. Because for this we need lot of a research scientists in sports. We haven't got any research scientists to guide and counsel the coaches at the base level. The coaches are coaches. They have been doing a very good service, but still they need lot of every day the changes are being now given by the research scientists. So you have to go according to the fashion of the day. If you go by the old fashion, so we'd only remain on earth itself. We see your China or a Japan or how they are advanced in the sports. They entered in Olympics in 1984. By 2010, they are the champions. Even your USA could not stand before them. USA had a grand record of 100 years of championship athletics, but everything is taken away by the Chinese. Reason is because of improvement, development, growth of science and technology. Sai Baba, who has been taking a lot of interest for the game, which is not his first love. Basketball is not his first love. But I wonder, no, this spirit he has got, because cricketer means cannot come down when he reaches sky. He cannot come down. But he has been taking up those much interest means in order to at least encourage people to take to sport so that they can have good health. So I thank everyone and especially Mr. Edwards because he has given me this opportunity.
Girls skipping ropes names no names padona. Jennifer Loretta.
NBA.
NBA. Winners, no? Amita Jaiswal. Excellent performance by the girls. Novia. M.A. Bhavya. These are the girls shown excellent talent in this tournament. Thank you very much all the way coming here. Sir, youngster, please come. Having a lot of interest and even though special boy of the Prithviraj sir is going to see. Clap करो भाई. दो हाथों से खेलना मुश्किल है आजकल पर excellent boy. God bless you boy. I am the son of Srikar Kirti Kumar. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sai Baba for conducting this tournament on my dad's behalf. And you players also were good. You played pretty well. The boys and the girls both equally good. And in my eyes, I don't see anyone as runner-up. Everyone is a winner.
Very good.
As far as I see, nobody can be called a runner. Because everyone has to be a winner in their own hearts. I remember I used to come to this college when my dad was a professor here. That was 20 years ago. I was in my high school. I used to play for YMCA. And during those days, he used to bring us here to watch tournaments. So I remember those days, and when I see you all now, it just recollects old memories. And I would like to congratulate and thank everyone on the dais as well. And all the best for your future, and may you do well, and may you make us proud. Thank you.
It's my proud privilege to say a few words, not only one word, that it was a function of great success. Behind this show is nobody else's, but it is Mr. C. Sai Baba who worked day in day and made this function a great success. Three, hip hip, hip hip, Sai Baba ki jai, ki jai. God bless you all.